Welcome back. In this section, we'll explore the various methods available for canceling a timeshare, providing insights into legal options, negotiation strategies, and third-party services. Legal options for canceling a timeshare. State laws governing consumer protection. Many states have enacted laws specifically aimed at protecting consumers who find themselves in unfavorable timeshare contracts. These laws may provide provisions for cancellation within a certain time frame after signing the contract, typically known as a cooling-off period or the rescission period. Now, during this period, consumers have the right to rescind the contract without penalty. Additionally, state consumer protection laws may prohibit deceptive sales tactics, misrepresentations, or fraudulent inducements commonly used by timeshare developers to secure sales. Now, if you believe your timeshare contract violates such laws, you may have legal grounds for cancellation. Contract rescission. Even if your state does not have specific laws governing timeshares, most timeshare contracts include provisions for rescission under certain circumstances. These provisions typically outline the process and time frame within which owners can cancel their contracts without facing penalties or fees. It's crucial to carefully review the timeshare agreement to understand the rescission terms and deadlines. If you believe you meet the criteria for rescission as outlined in the contract, you can initiate the cancellation process according to the specified procedures. Deceptive sales practices. Timeshare developers are known for employing aggressive sales tactics and making promises that may not align with the reality of ownership. If you were misled or deceived during the timeshare sales presentation regarding aspects such as the property's amenities, maintenance fees, exchange programs, or resale value, you may have legal recourse for cancellation. Deceptive sales practices violate consumer protection laws and may constitute grounds for contract nullification. Consulting with a qualified attorney who specializes in timeshare law can help you assess whether deceptive sales practices played a role in your decision to purchase the timeshare and pursue cancellation accordingly. Attorney guidance and legal representation. Navigating the complexities of timeshare law and pursuing cancellation can be challenging without expert guidance. Consulting with a qualified attorney who specializes in timeshare law is essential to understand your rights and explore legal options for cancellation. Any experienced attorney can review your timeshare contract, assess the circumstances surrounding its purchase, and advise you on the best course of action. Whether through negotiation with the timeshare developer, mediation, or litigation, an attorney can advocate on your behalf to achieve a favorable outcome. Third-party services. Professional assistance and expertise. Third-party services specializing in timeshare cancellation provide valuable expertise and assistance to owners seeking relief from their timeshare obligations. These companies typically employ experienced professionals who are well-versed in timeshare law, contract negotiation, and dispute resolution. By enlisting the service of such professionals, timeshare owners can benefit from their knowledge and skill in navigating the complexities of timeshare contracts and pursuing cancellation effectively. Negotiation on behalf of owners. One of the primary functions of third-party timeshare cancellation services is to negotiate with timeshare developers or management companies on behalf of owners. These negotiations may involve discussions about contract termination, buyback options, or other forms of relief from ongoing financial obligations associated with the timeshare. Skilled negotiators can leverage their expertise to advocate for favorable terms and outcomes that align with the interests of the timeshare owner. Relief from financial obligations. Timeshare cancellation services aim to provide owners with relief from their financial burdens associated with their timeshare ownership. Now, this may include negotiation for the waiver of maintenance fees, special assessments, or other recurring costs. as well as facilitating the transfer or resale of the timeshare unit. By alleviating these financial obligations, owners can achieve peace of mind and financial stability without the ongoing financial strain of maintaining the timeshare. Research and vetting. When considering third-party timeshare cancellation services, it's essential for owners to conduct thorough research and vetting to ensure they're dealing with reputable and trustworthy companies. This may involve reading reviews and testimonies from other clients, verifying the company's credentials and track record, checking for any complaints or disciplinary actions against the company with relevant regulatory authorities. By choosing a reputable and reliable third-party service, owners can have confidence in the professionalism and integrity of the assistance they receive. Cost considerations. Before engaging the services of a third-party timeshare cancellation company, owners should carefully consider the cost involved. While these services can offer valuable assistance and expertise, they typically charge fees for their services, which may be based on factors such as the complexity of the case, the amount of time and effort required, and the outcomes achieved. Owners should thoroughly review and understand the fee structure before proceeding to ensure it aligns with their budget and expectations. Open and honest communication. Effective negotiation with timeshare companies requires open and honest communication. Clearly articulating your reasons for seeking cancellation or relief from your timeshare obligations, as well as any other evidence or documentation supporting your case, can establish or help establish credibility and build trust with the timeshare company. Maintaining a respectful and cooperative attitude throughout the negotiation process can help you negotiate a favorable resolution. Presenting your case persuasively. The manner in which you present your case can significantly impact the outcome of negotiations with timeshare companies. It's essential to organize your arguments logically, highlight key points, and articulate your requests clearly and persuasively. Providing supportive evidence, such as documentation of hardship or misrepresentation, in a compelling manner can strengthen your position and increase the likelihood of the timeshare company accommodating your request. Additionally, being prepared to address any counter-arguments or concerns raised by the timeshare company can demonstrate your readiness to engage constructively in the negotiation process. Exploring options and flexibility. Now, during these negotiations, it's important to remain open to exploring various options and potential solutions. Timeshare companies may offer alternative arrangements, such as transferring ownership to another party, converting the timeshare into a different vacation membership, or adjusting the terms of the contract to better accommodate your needs. Being flexible and willing to consider alternative solutions can facilitate constructive dialogue and increase the likelihood of reaching a mutually beneficial agreement. Timeshare cancellation courses. Empowerment through education. Enrolling in a timeshare cancellation course empowers owners with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the complex process of canceling their timeshare contracts. By learning about relevant laws, contract provisions, and negotiation strategies, owners gain a deeper understanding of their rights and options for pursuing cancellation. This education equips them to make informed decisions and take proactive steps towards achieving their goal of freeing themselves from timeshare obligations. Success stories and reviews. Timeshare cancellation courses often boast numerous success stories and glowing reviews from satisfied participants who have successfully canceled their timeshare after completing the program. These testimonials serve as powerful endorsements of the course's effectiveness and tangible results. It has helped owners achieve. By hearing about the experiences of others who have gone through the course and achieved successful cancellations, prospective participants can gain confidence in the program's ability to deliver results. Expert guidance and support. One of the key features of timeshare cancellation courses is the expert guidance and support provided by a seasoned professional with extensive experience in the timeshare industry and legal realm. Participants benefit from access to an instructor who can offer personalized guidance, answer questions, provide insights based on their expertise. This hands-on support ensures that participants receive the assistance they need to navigate any challenges or obstacles they encounter during the cancellation process. Revolutionizing the industry. Timeshare cancellation courses are revolutionizing the timeshare cancellation industry by democratizing access to information and resources that were previously only available to a select few. By offering comprehensive education and guidance in a convenient online format, these courses make it possible for owners to take control of their timeshare destinies and pursue cancellation without the need to hire expensive attorneys or third-party services. This democratization of knowledge empowers owners to assert their rights and challenge unfair or deceptive timeshare practices. Practical tips and strategies. In addition to providing foundational knowledge about timeshare cancellation laws and procedures, timeshare cancellation courses offer practical tips and strategies for initiating the cancellation process. Participants learn actionable steps they can take to communicate effectively with timeshare companies, gather necessary documentation, and navigate potential roadblocks along the way. By following these practical tips and strategies, participants can approach the cancellation process with confidence and increase their chances of achieving a successful outcome.